Afternoon, welcome to my vlog. My menu today is I'm gonna cook fried fish with steamed ladyfinger. Here's my ladyfinger. I already cooked the ladyfinger. Oh, here. Oh. There. Okra in Tagalog. Here is my fish. Galonggong. Iskad in English. Galunglog. I just fried that one in steam. We have yung bagong alamang in English. The shrimp, salted shrimp. And while I'm cooking, I'm gonna drink my Santi Barley. Santi Barley. Here is my galong. I just squeeze half of lemon and then salt and salt and pepper. See, I'm gonna squeeze half of lemon. So that the langsa in Tagalog yun na to malangsa. I need to open the window so that the smell of the fish won't stay in the kitchen. This is my menu today. The fish is high in iodine. Good for thyroid. And the ladyfinger is rich in fiber, vitamin C, and good for blood circulation to prevent high blood and diabetes. The ladyfinger. This is our menu today. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, share, leave a comment and heart. Leave a suggestion if you have suggestion how to improve my content. And of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Happy Wednesday everyone. Bye.